Do you want to know the secret to earning high pay from the comfort of your home? What if I told you there are skills you can learn online that are not only in demand, but also pay incredibly well? The freelancing world is booming, and certain specialized skills are opening doors to lucrative opportunities. In this video, we'll dive into the top 8 high-paying freelancing skills you can learn today. These skills aren't just trendy, they are shaping the future of work, and organizations are prioritizing freelancers who bring value, innovation, and strategic solutions. If you're ready to boost your earning potential, keep watching to find out how you can start learning these high-demand skills and land those premium freelancing gigs. 1. AI and machine learning engineering. Have you ever wondered how the latest technological advancements are made possible? The field of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, engineering is one of the most rapidly growing and lucrative freelancing skills out there today. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations on your favorite apps, AI and ML are revolutionizing industries across the globe. Companies are investing millions of dollars into AI to automate processes, improve decision-making, and even generate content. As an AI and ML engineer, you'll be tasked with designing and implementing intelligent models that can predict outcomes, automate tasks, and solve complex problems using platforms like Python and TensorFlow. The potential for growth in this field is immense, and the pay reflects it. ML engineers can earn substantial salaries, especially when applying AI in industries like healthcare, finance, and automation. What's exciting about entering the AI and ML space is that you don't need a formal computer science degree to start. There are countless online platforms such as Coursera, Udemy, and free resources on YouTube that provide step-by-step tutorials for aspiring engineers. The pay for these high-demand skills is impressive, with some experienced AI engineers charging anywhere from $150 to $250 per hour, depending on the complexity of the project. This makes AI and ML engineering one of the most profitable freelancing careers. 2. Cybersecurity consulting. In today's digital world, cybersecurity is no longer just a necessity, it's a requirement. As data breaches and cyber threats continue to rise, businesses are increasingly looking for cybersecurity experts who can protect their sensitive data and infrastructure. Cybersecurity consultants help companies safeguard their systems from hackers, ensure compliance with industry standards, and conduct penetration tests to identify weaknesses. If you've got a knack for solving security problems and understanding the complexities of digital systems, cybersecurity consulting might be your ticket to a high-paying freelance career. Why is this field booming? With data being one of the most valuable assets for companies, the need to protect it is critical. This is where you come in. As a freelance cybersecurity consultant, you can specialize in various areas like penetration testing, cloud security, and network security. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for freelancers who can protect their systems from evolving cyber threats. If you're ready to start, there are numerous online courses, certifications, and workshops to help you gain skills in this area. With certifications like Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISP, or Certified Ethical Hacker, CH, you can start offering your expertise to clients who are desperate for protection. Cybersecurity consultants can charge $100 to $300 per hour, depending on their level of expertise. 3. Full-stack web development. If you're someone who enjoys working with numbers and solving intricate problems, then data science and analytics could be the perfect freelancing skill for you. Data scientists and analysts are in charge of transforming vast amounts of raw data into valuable insights that can shape business decisions. They dive deep into data sets to identify trends, make predictions, and help companies improve operations, customer experience, and market positioning. As a freelancer in this field, you'll use powerful tools like SQL, Python, and Tableau to manipulate data, build predictive models, and create comprehensive reports that provide actionable insights for businesses. The demand for data scientists and analysts is increasing rapidly as businesses across all industries recognize the importance of data-driven decision-making. The ability to analyze large data sets and draw meaningful conclusions allows companies to optimize their operations, predict future market trends, and refine their strategies. With the ability to uncover insights that can directly impact companies' success, data scientists are increasingly viewed as invaluable assets, and this recognition is reflected in the pay rates. Learning data science may sound intimidating, but there are plenty of resources available to help you get started and progress in the field. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy offer high-quality, comprehensive courses on data science, with options for both beginners and advanced learners. These courses cover a wide range of topics, from basic data manipulation to more advanced machine learning algorithms. Once you've honed your skills, you can expect to command hourly rates ranging from $50 to $200 or more, depending on your level of expertise and the complexity of the project. 4. Data science and analytics. If you love working with numbers and finding patterns, data science and analytics could be your ticket to a high-paying freelancing career. Businesses today generate massive amounts of data, and the ability to interpret that data and turn it into actionable insights is invaluable. Data scientists and analysts use tools like SQL, Python, and Tableau to sift through large datasets, identify trends, and help businesses make better decisions. With data becoming the driving force behind everything from marketing to product development, the demand for data scientists is growing fast. Whether you're building predictive models or creating reports that shape business strategy, data science offers high hourly rates, ranging from $50 to $200, depending on the complexity of the project and your expertise. 5. Blockchain development. Blockchain isn't just for cryptocurrencies anymore. It's changing the way businesses handle transactions, data, and security. As a blockchain developer, you'll be at the forefront of this technological revolution, building decentralized applications, dApps, creating smart contracts, and helping businesses implement blockchain solutions that improve transparency, security, and efficiency. Blockchain is still in its early stages, so the opportunities for freelancers are huge. Businesses are rushing to adopt blockchain to stay competitive, and they need skilled developers to make it happen. If you have a knack for coding and a passion for innovation, blockchain development could be one of the most rewarding freelancing careers, with hourly rates ranging from $100 to $300. 6. Digital marketing and SEO. With nearly every business online, the demand for digital marketing professionals who can drive traffic, increase sales, and build brand awareness is stronger than ever. Search engine optimization, SEO, is one of the most valuable skills in digital marketing because it helps websites rank higher on Google, driving organic traffic. As an SEO freelancer, you'll optimize websites, create content strategies, and analyze data to help businesses reach the right audience. Beyond SEO, digital marketing encompasses everything from paid ads to social media management. With businesses pouring money into digital marketing, skilled freelancers can command rates from $50 to $150 per hour. Whether you're managing social media campaigns or optimizing a website's SEO, this is a field that rewards results. 7. Video production and editing. In the digital age, video is king. Whether it's creating promotional content for businesses or editing YouTube videos, there's always a demand for high-quality video production. As a freelance video editor, you'll work with filmmakers, brands, and content creators to bring their stories to life. From cutting footage to adding special effects and audio, video editors play a crucial role in shaping the final product. Freelancers can charge anywhere from $50 to $200 per hour, depending on their experience and the complexity of the project. As video continues to dominate online content, the need for skilled video editors is only going to increase. 8. Copywriting and content writing. A great copy can sell anything. Whether it's writing engaging blog posts, creating persuasive marketing copy, or scripting videos, skilled writers are always in demand. As a freelance copywriter or content writer, you'll have the opportunity to work with brands to craft messages that resonate with audiences. You could be writing SEO-optimized articles, creating email campaigns, or helping businesses improve their website content. With businesses constantly needing high-quality written content, this skill is always in demand, and the pay is great, ranging from $50 to $150 per hour. The more specialized your writing is, the more you can charge. And that's a wrap on the top 8 high-paying freelancing skills you can learn online today. Whether you're interested in AI, web development, or video production, there's a skill out there for everyone to master and start earning big. The freelancing world is vast, and with the right skills, you can build a successful career that gives you the flexibility and income you desire. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to level up your freelancing career. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.